Today we're taking a summer barbecue classic and giving it a super easy and flavorful twist in the air fryer. Corn on the cob. If you're looking for a perfectly cooked, slightly charred, and incredibly delicious corn without firing up the grill, then you've come to the right place. Welcome to Candy Kids Creations, where you'll find easy recipes, simple home tips, and honest reviews to make everyday life a little smoother. For this video, I'm cooking with the PowerXL air fryer. If you're looking for an air fryer, I'll post the link to the PowerXL site on Amazon in the description below. To prepare your ears of corn, fully husk your corn and remove all the silk for even cooking. Now for the flavor. You can keep it simple with just a little bit of oil or melted butter brushed over the corn. I'm using melted butter today for that classic rich taste. You can also add your favorite seasonings at this point. A little salt, pepper, garlic powder, seasoned salt, or even some chili powder for a kick. Get it nicely coated if you're going to do that. Carefully place your seasoned corn on the cob in the air fryer basket. Depending on the size of your air fryer, you might need to cut the cobs in half to fit comfortably in a single layer. I often break them in half anyway to make it easier to serve, but today I'm keeping them whole. Set your air fryer to 380 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 193 degrees Celsius, and cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. You're going to turn the corn halfway through. This will ensure even cooking and a nice char on all the sides. The exact time might vary slightly depending on the size and freshness of your corn. You're looking for the kernels to be tender and slightly browned. All right, let's take a look. Doesn't that look amazing? The kernels are tender and juicy with just a hint of the smoky flavor from the air fryer. So there you have it, incredibly delicious and easy air fryer corn on the cob. Serve it up with extra butter, your favorite seasonings, or even a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. What's your go-to way to enjoy corn on the cob? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn what else you can cook in your air fryer, check out this video from my air fryer series. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.